Look right there. Welcome back to T's channel, T's channel, T's channel, T's channel. Ah! Okay, guys, can you see the setup is a little bit better? Like, my head is a little bit cut off, but that's okay. I think I look fine in this lighting. But look at the food. I made my birria. So this is how the meat turned out. It actually looks really, oh, some of it flew off the pan. It actually looks really good, the birria. And then the sauce itself, it's the sauce that I cooked it in, and then you just add fresh cilantro, fresh onion, and lime juice. It looks so good. Look, guys. There you go. You can kind of see in there. Ooh, it looks so good. So I'm super excited, and then we just have a platter of cilantro, onion, and lime that we are going to put on the tacos with the meat, and then we're gonna dip our taco and fuck it up. Okay, let's get a prayer in and a thumbnail. God is good, God is great. Thank you for this day. Okay, I think I want to do a mukbang. Are you excited or are you nervous? Girl, I'm excited. I think I'm gonna do a thumbnail with my actual plate. Hold on, let me move this. Right here. Yes, guys. Okay, so let me show you how I'm gonna do this. I have a plate here. Okay. Hi, baby. Mommy, yes, doing a mukbang. And then I have a tortilla shell, and I'm just gonna take. Oh, I was gonna use that big one. I can use this small one. And so what type of meat I use? I use a chuck roast, and I also use beef oxtails, guys. I'm so juiced about this right now. And I wanted to make the tacos on camera because I just felt like it was gonna be so much more exciting. So there are the beef in the taco. And then next we're gonna add our onion. Guys, my mouth is watering. Our cilantro. And then our lemon. Now, if you guys notice, I've done like carne asada fries, I've done tacos. But birria tacos are like, let me show you guys. Oh my gosh! You ready? You dip it in there like such. You guys, oh my goodness. You guys, oh my goodness. Guys, they are phenomenal, okay? And no, I'm not eating this whole damn pan. It's for me and the puppy tonight. But just like, oh my God, they're so good. Guys, I literally started cooking this at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's 5:30. I thought it was gonna take me, it's 5:30, it's 6 p.m. I thought it was gonna take me until 6, but these actually finished at 4, and I'm gonna talk about how I made them. And we'll talk about the horrible video I thought I was actually filming, but I was not. dip. Hold on, guys. Look at that dip, y'all. Bless you, baby. Wow. I think I would literally put this on any type of taco. But the juice that I'm dipping it in is what I made this in. Oh, it is so good, y'all. It is so good, y'all. Guys, I have Dr. Pepper there. Oh my goodness. Whoever thought of this creation, thank you. Honey. I'm sorry of all the noise in the back, my son. Actually, let me just take it. Here I look. They're peppers. I don't want you to burn your mouth. It's okay. I'll let you get on camera in 1 second. But yeah, guys, so I'm just trying to find literally a balance of just mukbanging whenever I can, no matter if my kid's awake or if he's asleep or whatever, because look, we're all in this together. We're a family. Yes, baby, 1 second. Mommy's making a taco. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited I'm doing this mukbang. I waited all day to do this mukbang because this thing took so long to cook. What is that, number 3? Hey, stop. Please stop. But yeah, guys, the lemon is what sets it off, bruh. Oh! Guys, it just dropped the whole lemon in. Oh! It's okay. We're gonna talk about this in a second. I just need to eat like 4 more tacos before we start talking. Remember, guys, these are mukbangs. You came to watch me eat. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. This is amazing. You guys like those seafood boils? I like these taco boils, okay? Whoa. These are way better. Sorry, I have to say it. Guys, you're getting the meat, you're getting the onion, slice of lemon, or lime, and then all the juices that this meat cooked on your taco. Fire. Let me show you the sauce one more time. Oh. And it's so light. It's so light and airy. Let me show you that. So that is it. Do I have a spoon? I don't. I'm not getting a spoon for you guys. It's not that serious. Literally watching me dip it is literally enough. Trust me. But it's so good. It's so good. And then look, let me give y'all a bite. How about that? You want a bite, girl? All right, now look, sis, don't be biting off the whole taco when I hand it over to you. Because last time you was over there, you done bit the whole macaroni off my, off my fork. I didn't even get no hot sauce because I would just feel like that was unnecessary for this. Ooh, my limes are so juicy. This is like the lemon to the crab. No. Lime rain, lime rain. I'm biting Be Love. She do. Let me rain, let me rain. Be Love. Be Love, get you some birria. I got my recipe from Views on the Road. Shout out to our YouTube channel. Mm. 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 Hi, baby. Okay, I'll let you up in a second. Mama. Okay. But yeah, guys. So freaking good. So good. It's good. He's crazy. But let's talk about how I came about wanting to eat this concoction, okay? I'm gonna insert a video, boom. Video, I'm in a picture of the birria and the way they do it. So what I noticed is you can kind of eat this as like a stew. You can put the meat back in the sauce, you can eat it. But I thought it was so clever how someone came up with like the fact that you could take your taco and dip it into something. And my coworkers was just like, well, why can't you just, pour it over the top? And in my mind, I'm just like, you're not getting the full experience if you're not dipping that taco in the birria. Or maybe the meat's called birria, I don't know. But yeah, this was so good. I recommend anybody that's a mukbanger out there to create this, okay? And definitely do this because it's so good. Here's the funny backstory to this. I wanted to, because I got my tripod today. As you guys can see, the setup looks a lot better. You can see the food. You're not looking dead at me. So I was like, ooh, I got my tripod. Let me record a cooking video. Girl, I had no idea how to use it. So I was just recording and talking and cooking and recording and talking and cooking and didn't record nothing. All I recorded myself was saying, you weren't recording that whole time? It was hectic. But yeah. I think I can do one more taco with my son in my lap. Let's give it a try. No, here we go. But guys, this is so fire. Like, I recommend somebody to do this as their mukbang. I'm pretty sure this is gonna become popular. Anytime I start doing something, I'm not saying people copy me. I say like, things just fall in line. Like that's just the way the world works. I'll be the first one, like today I was the first one at the nail shop to get my toes done. Like nobody was there. Soon as I sat in the chair for maybe 30 minutes, like 15 people start walking through the door and I'm just like, that's just the way the world works. You think you gotta get it, you think ain't nobody showing up, and people are thinking the same thing that you are, they just ain't did it yet, and then once they do it, it's what happens. Or people may have already done this and I'm late. Yeah. But I watch mukbangs. Like, I watch mukbangs, and I have not seen many people in the mukbang community doing this on a reg. I just be seeing people eat Taco Bell, tacos, Del Taco, Qdobo, Chipotle, like just basic ass taco places. I don't see people making pans of beef and dipping it in the beef sauce. Oh my God. I should have used the clear bowl, but that's okay, guys. I know what's going on here. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Mm. 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 Mm, mm, mm. 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 It's so good. I would not lie. I would not lie. Mm, 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 mm. So I have to dance. But yeah, y'all. This is so delicious. But guys, I don't know if you noticed, I have 5 tacos. That's all I'm having. We're eating this for the rest of the week. Yes, we are. Is there anything you want to tell the subscribers? Hey, look right there. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn on your post notification bell and subscribe. Because I was born by the river. The river, bless you. The river. I was born by the river. I was bending, bobbing. I was making that.